up? I thought the seniors with no real graduation said something. Shut your mouth.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Hey y'all. So let me tell you, I ordered a prom dress back in February before all hell broke loose, and now I need to return it because obviously there's not going to be any prom. So don't think that I'm doing this try on because I'm going to prom. No way, Jose, am I going to fucking prom. But it came, and in no way, shape, or form am I excited, even though I should be. But obviously nobody's going to prom, so what's to be excited about? But it came. I opened it out of curiosity, you know, and my dad was like, that expensive ass dress, they only put it in a sandwich bag. Girl, when I tell you, I was dead. But yeah, this dress is from Youssef Al Jasmi. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a foreign brand. It came overseas. It's really expensive. You get it custom, it could go over $3,000. Mine was about probably $1,000. I'm gonna link everything down below, the website to where I got this dress from and everything. Like, I got it custom made to my liking, to my shape and size, because I am a uniquely shaped person. So if you guys didn't know already, but I will be trying this on, and I don't know if I'm supposed to be trying this on because, like I said, I'm going to return it. But guess what? Might as well make a video out of it. I don't fucking care.
'Cause I don't care.
Hey guys, it's Editing Crystal, and I will be popping up if I forgot something to say throughout the video. And basically how I got this dress, I was specific with my arm measurements, my waist measurements, etc. Like how many inches was it, and I was also specific with the color. I just put all of my selections in that little selection box. You know what I'm saying? When you buy stuff online, that's how it is. Yeah, that's how I bought the dress, basically. I'm just gonna take this dress out of the packaging. Oh, why don't you look at that? It was taped together. Girl, this is the dress, and I am gonna cry. If anyone didn't know, I'm a senior and I literally didn't get to participate in any fucking thing this year, obviously. But let's just try it on. This was supposed to be my dress. This shit all tangled, bro. I'm like, what? Yeah, this was supposed to be my dress. It looked a little big. I don't know why it looks a little big. I'm gonna go try this on and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Guess what, y'all? I'm glad I'm not going to prom because it's fucking big and it's fucking see-through. Gee, what kind of seamstress made this shit? It's literally see-through. You could literally see my titties. This is basically the dress. I don't like it. You can see everything. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, this is very long. Just look, it has a slit. It's big. Now I'm kind of glad I didn't go to prom. So y'all, this how the dress looked flat on my bed. I picked this color. The color is gray, but it's see-through. Like, do y'all not see that? And it has a weird smell to it. It kind of reminds me of my aunt's house. Like, and it's very long. It's long on me. I know I didn't show y'all my feet, but it's long on me. And it had a little ribbon right there, or a design. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I do believe that this try on was a booster for my self-esteem and happiness, because trust me, if I were to go to prom, I would have been going to prom looking ratchet. Okay, I literally spent very expensive on this dress, and my parents begged for me to buy a cheaper dress that I could actually try on, and I did not do that. So I would have got a mad ass whooping because this dress literally looks bogus, and they would not have let me in with that see-through ass dress, bro. I don't know, I just don't like the dress. It didn't flatter me at all. I don't know if it's because I'm fat or whatever, you know what I'm saying, but like it didn't flatter me, and it was big, and it was all, everything was all out right here. I mean, of course I wanted shit to be out. I didn't want it to be out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I put it back in the bag. The material is kind of itchy, and these beads look kind of fake. I don't know. I just stuffed it back in the bag because I really don't give a fuck. We're gonna return it any damn way, and I'm kind of glad I didn't go to prom because I probably wouldn't have been going anyways, or even if I did go, I probably would have been looking very bogus. So that's the good part about it. And yeah, it's Editing Crystal, and I just want you guys to know that in no way, shape, or form am I bashing the company that I got this dress from. I will in fact leave them linked down below, and you guys can shop from them. You know, maybe I'm the only one who had a bad experience from them. Just because I had a bad experience doesn't mean that you guys or other people are going to have a bad experience with them as well. Y'all, just for kicks, y'all want to see the shoes I got to match this dress? I got these shoes to match the dress. It matches the dress perfectly. They Louboutins. Yeah. But this is for a different video. I'm gonna do a designer shoe haul and review when the rest of my designer shoes decide to come to my house. So like, yeah. These are cute though. I actually fit these. I don't fit the damn dress, but I fit these, so I guess I dodged the bullet on this one. Sorry if you couldn't see my whole body. In this try-on, I didn't want y'all to see my whole body anyways. I was completely exposed, but give it a thumbs up if y'all liked it. Subscribe. Leave a comment under this video if y'all want. Click the bell icon so you can get notification every time I upload a brand new video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.